Good morning, students. Let us begin with the lesson 2 of our class, that is Internet Service. Open your book to page number 5. Page number 5, Internet Service. So, what is Internet? The Internet is a huge network connecting millions of people, millions of computers from all over the world with the help of satellite, which allows user to share information and communicate with each other. So we are going to learn the history of the Internet. The United States Department started using the Internet as a military research project, and that laid down the foundation for the Internet. This project was called Advanced Research Project Agency Network, that is ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network for the Internet. As soldiers used this network to share information over countries, also joined this international network of a computer, which is known as the Internet. Requirement for an Internet connection. What things you require for Internet connection? See, it is a full global network. Many computers are connected with each other. So what are the requirements that you need to connect through Internet? That is modem, first one modem, second telephone line, third internet service provider, that is ISP, and fourth one is WIFI, that is Wi-Fi, WIFI. Then we will learn the first one, that is modem. A modem is a device that allows a computer to transmit and receive data with other computer. Modem stands for modulator, demodulator. The full name of modem is modulator and demodulator. Second one, telephone line. A telephone line is required to transfer data from one computer to another. The computer is connected to the modem, and this modem is connected to a telephone line. However, with the increasing wireless environment, telephone lines are no longer as compulsion to access the Internet. Then second one is Internet Service Provider, that is ISP. ISP, Internet Service Provider, is a company or an organization offering Internet access to user for a free. Some of the ISPs in India are Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited, that is VSNL. The full form of VSNL is Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited. Then MTNL, full form of MTNL is Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited. Then Airtel, Jio, Reliance Jio, that is ACT, FiberNet, etc. Then Wi-Fi. What is Wi-Fi? Wireless fidelity, usually called Wi-Fi, is a device that allows a computer to transmit and receive data with other computer wirelessly using radio waves. It is as a popular concept and is widely used in home and office, as all the device can use the network. So Wi-Fi is without wire. You can connect many instruments to run your internet through Wi-Fi. Okay, one modem is there. Just modem you can create with ISP code, and just you can run the Wi-Fi. Then useful service on the internet. Useful service on the internet. Nowadays all are using mobiles very frequently. Okay, so first one is video calling. Useful service mein first one is video calling. You can connect to people staying in various parts of the world with video calling. There is an exchange of audio and video between people with the help of internet and the computer. Skype is one of the popular software for video calling. Then chat means you are doing messages to your friends, to your colleagues, and so on. So chat means what? Personal communication has now become much easier than to the internet and the various chat based software. A chat is an instant real time communication. Okay, a chat is an instant real time communication where people exchange messages back and forth. People accept messages and reply. That is called as chatting. Okay, nowadays you are doing in WhatsApp, that is called as chatting. Then lastly, that is free internet calling. Free internet calls. With the help of internet, it's now simpler to make audio call to any part of the world at a cheaper rate. Few of the software allows audio, video calls and messaging all in one. You just need to install a software on a computer, create an account, and you are free to use it. Okay, you are free to use it. Then last one is that email. Okay, email. Email stands for electronic mail. Email facility helps us to compose, send, receive and store the messages globally. It is the fastest way of sending message across the globe. Every email is sent to a unique email ID which takes a place of traditional, that is name, address, PIN number, etc. in the computer world. You can attach your various files like image, document, etc. along with the email. Okay, when you are sending emails, you have to attach your file through email, and you have to give your email address. You can write your name and you can set your PIN number. Then last one is social media. Social media, that is Facebook and Instagram. Okay, there are various social media networking websites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. that displays your personal information. It is visible to anyone you allow to access it. You can connect to all your friends through such social media. You can share your image and let your friend comment to like the image. It is very user friendly. Celebrities and politicians use it to connect to message. Okay, so email, social media, that is email is used for sending messages. Social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. are also used for all these things. But mainly in today's world, people use video callings, chat, that everything's run on internet. Without internet, all these programs are not available. Okay, so let us see the exercise now. Your lesson is over. We'll go with the exercise of lesson 1 and lesson 2 both. First I'll give of lesson 2, then I will go with lesson 1. Okay, so first one, answer the following. What is an internet? What is an internet? On page number 5. On page number 5 it is given. The internet is a huge network connecting millions of computers from all over the world with the help of satellite, which allows users to share information and communicate with each other. That is answer 1. Second one, what is Wi-Fi? What is Wi-Fi? Wireless, see on page number 6, second paragraph. Wi-Fi paragraph, that is first one. Wireless fidelity, usually called Wi-Fi, is a device that allows a computer to transmit and receive data with other computer wireless using radio waves. Then third one, what is an email? On page 7 of your textbook. Email stands for electronic mail. Email facility helps us to compose, send, receive and store messages globally. Then fourth one, what is social media? What is social media? There are various social media networking websites like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram that displays your personal information. It is visible in any one of you can allow the access it. Okay, ये हो गया तुम्हारा question answer. Answer the following. Then match the following. Match the following modem. First one modem है, that is B, transmits and receive data. Wi-Fi, it is a wireless network. Chat, real time communication. Email, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मेल. तो ये हो गया तुम्हारा फर्स्ट वन. एंड फॉर दिस वन MCQs, एंड फॉर MCQs एटलीस्ट यू हैव टू रीड द लेसन. देयर आर MCQs, you can read the lesson and get the answers for the MCQs. Okay, MCQs are also very easy, but you have to read the lesson. Then lesson 1, answer the following. Lesson 1, answer the following. What is computer? What is computer? On page number 1, what is computer? It is given there. Computer is an electronic device that accepts data, inputs data, process it and gives you the result or output. Okay, that is answer 1. Second one, what is hardware? What is hardware? On page number 2, hardware are physical part of a computer that can be seen and touched. For example, monitor, keyboard, speaker and hard disk are an example of hardware. Then third one, what is software? What is software? On page number 3, software is a program that helps to run a computer and use a computer. It is essential to perform any task on a computer. So answer the following is over. Then match the columns. Match the column. First one, hard disk. Hard disk, that is internal storage, internal hardware, CPU, brain. Third, monitor, screen, mouse, input device. Okay, for first lesson also you have to read the lesson. For MCQs, you have to read the lesson. Understood, children? Okay.